Hello, everybody. In this moment, I think about how to describe a cultural event. My name is Andy Marcela Herrera Peláez. I am a student in English, semester 8. Cali Fair. How was the Cali Fair really born? The history of the birth of the Cali Fair, or Sugarcane Fair as it was initially known, dates back to December 28, 1957, when the city's Plaza de Toros was inaugurated and is now so closely linked to the version of transformed sadness into joy after the explosion of August 7 of that same year. The Cali Fairs is the maximum event of our city and the most precious symbol of our cultural identity. Every year between December 25 and 30, those of us who inhabit it reaffirm our passion for life, salsa, and joy. Our Cali Fair transformed and resilient. Thus, the Cali Fair is based on a resurgence of the city from economical, social, cultural, tourist, environmental aspects, but above all from the construction of a better city to continue leaving a mark on new generations who see from art the capacity for transformation and social inclusion. Thanks a lot.